Let's head for the safe zone.
Ooh, what a shot!
Lights out.
New safe zone.
Ooh!
How are you still going there?
No, I need gun.
Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him! Oh!
Affirmative.
Oh, you are trained.
Is over.
I got one guy on me.
Soldier.
Woo! Samuel, I did it again! Ooh!
Another guy above you. Another guy above you.
Oh!
Put this fucker out.
Campy.
How?
Those are awful.
Snipe them as they come, boys. Another one drop top. Oh! Woo!
Loadout drop on the way. Stop. Get to the next one.
They're running across to him. Got one and cracked the other one. Down the other one. Nah. Oh, they're all dropping. Ooh!
Come on.
Yeah, same.
That was.
Oh!
They're on me.
I got it, Ray. One more. Yeah, he's below.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Got it.
You made it through and took the win. Well.
Ooh!
Strike inbound. UAV ready. Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Oh! I'm gonna come on.
Recon at this
Oh
location.
shit. Yeah, he's right in front of us. Down both.